Today I learn about the facts about the oxygen. Did you know? If suppose that if a did you suppose if a oxygen it will be disappear for a 5 second, what will be happen? If the oxygen will disappear from the earth for a 5 second, what will be happen? Most of you thinking that if the oxygen will be disappear, then we for a 5 second we will trying to be stop the breathing, trying to be make it stop, and then the after 5 seconds we will start taking a break. That is not that is impossible. For if the oxygen will disappear for a 5 second, it will harm a loads, because the earth crust that is made up of a 45% of the earth crust is made from the oxygens, and if the oxygen will be disappear, then it will get a lots of, you can say that harms for the our earth. And if the water bodies, you know that the waters are made of the combination of hydrogen and oxygen. And if the oxygen will be disappear, then only the hydrogen gas will be left there. And if the hydrogen will be left, when the oxygen will be disappear, then all the water bodies will be converted into hydrogen, and it will explode into a fire that will cause a lots of effects. And when the oxygen will be disappearing, you know that the fire, whatever the fire will burn, the fire need an oxygen, and if there is not oxygen, then the whatever the machines, whatever the vehicles which need a spark to function, that will be stop functioning. And if the aeroplanes which are flying with the sky will be fallen on the earth due to the lack of the oxygens, and the lot of destroy will be happen due to the lack of an oxygens. And if the oxygen will be disappear, then the ozone layer, you have ever heard the formula of ozone layer, that is O3. The ozone layer is made from the oxygen, and if the oxygen will disappear, and that ozone layer is help us to protect us from the UV ray of the sun. And if the ozone layer will be not there, then the ultraviolet ray of the sun will be entered to the earth, and after entering to the earth, it will be harm all the people's skins. For a few seconds or 1 or 2 seconds, it will destroy all the faces, all the skins. It will be going a ravaged. It will consider that it will be going very destroy, burnt everything. So for disappearing oxygen for a 5 second, we will lose everything, and it is not possible to be survive if the oxygen will survive for a 5 second. So the oxygen is play a big role in the atmosphere. So never think that if the oxygen will disappear, then I will be stop breathing for a 5 second, then I will be alive. That is impossible to alive. These are the reasons which I had learned today. Now one more thing is that the oxygens play a big role, and you know that in the atmosphere there is a 21% of oxygen has been available, and that oxygen is a very important parts for the life to survive. These are the points which I learned. Now